One of my favorite things to do in cities is just kind of wander around. And so far, Quebec City is awesome for just like wandering around, getting lost in the little alleys and stuff. And the houses look also super cute and European, and it's just awesome.
Tall and made of bricks and with pointy jutty-outy bits and turrets. And
the pointy jutty-outy bits. And I saw some gargoyles earlier. They were really cool. And like everything has a plaque that's like something historic happened here. I don't know. I guess it's because we're Canadian, but I'm not used to having history around me. I mean, like older history. There's a lot of
building's almost
history.
20 years old.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So it's strange, but it's wonderful. Also, look at this wall here with the cannons. Like everywhere you go, there's just cannons and old fortifications. This is the waterfront down there. You really couldn't have asked for a better day, better weather. It's beautiful.
See this building up here? That's a jutty-outy, pointy, turrety bit.
Oh, I know what you're talking about. But yeah. Yeah, I love just looking at doors.
Yeah.
Does anybody else have a door obsession? Or like everywhere you travel you take pictures of doors? I can share a lot of doors with the internet if they like that.
I think Jim Morrison might have in his time.
Huh.
That's why he named the group. Did he name the group? I don't even know. You're just filming people's houses?
Whatever.
I have heard of doggy doors, but that's like a hobbit door, or that's where the children enter this house?
This ain't 9.5. Maybe it's for half a size.
Huh.
Half a size or half a size?
Yeah. Gradually lift the counterweight.
There's like a counter lever system for the fire escape. I'm just wondering, like, if you walk down it, would the weight fall down slowly, or would you just murder yourself?
I don't know.
Those sticks stick up on the edge, or for snow. Kind of like in Japan, how they have those sticks in the snow.
Oh, maybe. Look at those, like, stubby cannons.
Should be stubby cannons.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be a cannon girl. I don't know actually how to be a cannon girl, but you know. Fire at will!
Is Cannon Girl the character from Tank Girl?
Tank girl?
No.
Sure.
Do you not know Tank Girl?
Yeah, I do.
Oh,
Throw me as a tank girl, okay? Cannon girl.
Cannon Girl?
That's gonna be our intro for this series. I'm gonna be cannon girl. Get on the rules. I should get down.
Maybe.
I'm not a rule breaker.
Oh. I would have thought if you're not supposed to do that there'd be more clear indication.
Yeah, true. Very true. ferry over there. Takes you to the other side. Apparently it's the best view you will get of Quebec City. I don't think we're going to do that though. We're going to run out of time. But it's definitely something you can do if you are here for longer. And here's your first glimpse at the Chateau Frontenac. It is a hotel built by the Canadian Pacific Railway. And they built them all over Canada to kind of encourage tourism within Canada. This is apparently the most photographed hotel in the world, although I don't know how you quantify that. Still pretty beautiful. It's outside our budget though. There's no way we could afford that. So instead you get to look at it. Definitely reminds me of Edinburgh. I'm down to 1 minute and 1 second. So cool.
Yeah.
You want to go upstairs? Is
Yeah,
that
I
going to
think
hurt your
so.
feet?
Either way, just walking. Whatever you think.